everybody, what's up? It's Kiki and welcome back for another video. Today I'm coming at you guys with a new natural look, easy to install 5-minute wig. Don't believe me? Just watch. This wig was sent to me by Gorgius Hair. It is their bang wig with yaki straight texture, and it's like a full wig with a little bit of a lace part. This is the inner construction of the wig. It is a rectangular scalp made from HD lace, which has been pre-bleached so that you don't have to do any work to it. You just take it out the box and put it on. It is a yaki straight texture, but it is so natural looking. It definitely looks like I have a silk press. You guys know I love me some bangs, but I hate having to cut them. So getting a wig that was already pre-cut was perfect. I'm going to go in with my KEKE wax stick to smooth any flyaways at the top. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and just flatten everything and make it look as natural as possible. You literally can take this wig out of the box and put it on. I did straighten out the, bends in the hair from it being packaged. But other than that, I didn't shampoo it, didn't do any of that, didn't pre-straighten it. I just quickly ran the flat iron through it just to take those waves out. Boom, ready to go. It is 100% human hair, so you can color it, dye it, lighten it, do all the things that you want to do to it. But I left it in its natural color because why not? Why do more work than you have to do? Even with it being a yaki texture, you can see it's still silky and fine, and it has so much sheen and shine to it. I did use a little bit of heat protectant before I flat ironed it, but other than that, you didn't really have to do anything to it. Also, they do give you a little bit of length in the bangs. You can actually pull the wig back a little bit, but all I did was trim my bangs just a little bit so that they were not in my eyes. So you guys can continue to watch me style it. And look how easy this was. This literally could have took me 5 minutes if it had already been pre-straightened, but the next time I put it on, it's going to be even less than that. 2 minutes and I'm out the door. If you don't know how to work with lace, don't worry. Gorgius Wigs got you. This is perfect. They have other styles that are made with small amount of lace ready to throw on and go. So make sure you guys go check out Gorgius Hair. I will have all the links in my description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, all that good stuff. I love you guys and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now.